In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion AI to write better, faster, and with more clarity, even if you're not a confident writer. Notion AI is one of the most powerful built-in writing assistants available right now, and the best part is that it works directly inside your notes, documents, and pages. Whether you're writing blog posts, meeting notes, emails, or project documentation, this feature can instantly clean up your writing and make it sound more professional. If you're new here and you enjoy simple, step-by-step software tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future guides. All right, let's jump right in and get started. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want to improve your writing. This can be any existing page or a brand new one. Once the page loads, take a quick look at the title at the top. If needed, you can click on the title and edit it so it clearly matches what the page is about. A clear title helps keep your workspace organized and also gives Notion AI more context when working with your content. Next, scroll down to the text you want to improve. This can be a paragraph, a sentence, or even a rough draft that doesn't sound quite right yet. Click directly on the text so your cursor is active in that block. This is important because Notion AI works on the specific text you select or place your cursor in. Once your cursor is in the text, open the Notion AI menu. Depending on your setup, this usually appears automatically or can be accessed by using the / command or the AI prompt. From the available options, click on Improve Writing. This tells Notion AI that you want it to rewrite the text in a clearer, more polished way while keeping the original meaning. After you click Improve Writing, Notion AI will instantly generate a revised version of your text. Take a moment to read through the suggestion carefully. You'll usually notice better sentence flow, improved grammar, and more professional wording without losing your original message. If you're happy with the result, click Accept. This replaces your original text with the improved version. If you're not completely satisfied, you can always undo the change or run Improve Writing again to get a slightly different result. You can repeat this process as many times as you want across your page. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Notion AI to write better directly inside your workspace. This simple feature can save you a huge amount of time and instantly upgrade the quality of your writing, especially if you're working on important documents or shared pages. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.